after spending literally 1.5 hours in cab, I finally reached office exactly at 12. And this is the Bagmani Constellation Business Park. And जो first building है वही है Acula, Amazon का Acula building. And this is where my workspace is. But Amazon का और भी बहुत सारा buildings है, जैसे Taurus है, पर वो थोड़ा पीछे के साइड है. And ये building में हम लोग का टीम बैठता है. So this is what where I work. And entrance तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, एकदम greenery. And the structure actually reminds me of Kempegowda International Airport, जो हम लोग का Bangalore का airport का structure नहीं है, वही मुझे ऐसा remind करता है ये building का structure. But anyway, चलिए अंदर चलते हैं. This is the reception. Reception में पहले ही we see Amazon's logo, and this says day one I love Amazon. ये भी एक नया logo है. And coffee machine भी है, पर मैं बहुत ही late हो रही थी. It was already 12, and मैं जल्दी बस अपने वो मतलब अपने फ्लोर पे जाना चाहती थी. So I came in the 8th floor. हम लोग 8th floor में बैठते हैं. And this is the pantry. घुसते ही we have this pantry, but I will come later to show you guys. First I have to go and reach my desk. I was very late, तो मैं जा रही थी अपने desk की ओर. और अपने डेस्क पे आते साथ ही I got to know that there is a meeting, so I quickly kept my bag and rushed towards the meeting room. It was almost 2 o'clock by the time we finished our meeting, so we quickly went up in the cafeteria. This is our cafeteria to grab our lunch. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग गई थी, तो हम लोग सोचे कि लंच कर लेते हैं और उसके बाद बाकी काम होता रहेगा. So we came, यहाँ पे मैंने अपना खाना गर्म किया and फिर हम लोग बैठ के आराम से अपना पूरे टीम के साथ लंच किए. Convert this into a standing desk, which I really found very good and useful, क्योंकि हमेशा बैठ के काम करना थोड़ा सा you get body pains, and हमेशा बैठ के काम करना भी सही नहीं होता है. So this you can convert it into a standing desk, and आप खड़े होके भी काम कर सकते हो, which I really found cool. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. So this is how it goes up, and फिर आप वहीं पे switch अगर press करते हो तो ये फिर आप as a sitting desk में भी आप फिर convert कर दे सकते हो. The very first day I made some really good friends in office, which is very important, because आप 9 घंटा यहाँ पे काम करोगे. If you don't get good friends, good company, then थोड़ा सा sad लगता है. Sad नहीं, boring लगता है. You feel कहाँ आ गए, but it is not so. I really made some good friends, and ये view है हमारे base से. It is very nice, and this is pretty much it. And let's explore more on this floor. As we take left from the lift, this is the north wing. घुसते ही there is this pantry. As जैसी मैं आ रही थी एकदम वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में I showed that there is this pantry. This is it. ये एक coffee station है where you get coffee, milk, tea, and also soup. And there is this refrigerator as well. You can keep your food here in case you want to keep your food cold. So you can keep it here. And there is also a microwave in case you want to heat your food. You can also do that. So this is it. There are cups as well, you can use them. And ये pantry है north wing का. We will also go towards the south wing and explore there as well. So this is the south wing, and south wing में we have this vending machine where you can pay and take something of your choice, whatever is there in the display, of course. सिर्फ pay करना है, and then you have to put in the code, like product code है इधर ही लिखा हुआ. So you have to first pay and then hit the product code, and फिर वो product जो आप चाहते हो ऐसे आ जाएगा नीचे, and you can collect it. There is also another coffee machine in this pantry. This is a South Wings pantry. यहाँ पे भी एक coffee machine है and you can grab coffee from here as well. After exploring the pantry and with a coffee in my hand, we went ahead and started looking for the aesthetic corners of this floor. And we also thought that we will go to the ground floor to check the amenities that we have in the business park.